Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Muhammad Zishan, and we have very special topic. And this is one activity that is called one kind of buddy talk. And in this buddy talk, I'm not considering myself as a trainer. And we have kind of buddy talk as a friend. And we will be sharing. And we have very fascinating topic that is house food versus street food. And Mr. Farhan, and he is supporting street food is the best option for all the people, but on the other hand, Mr. Huzaifa, and he is supporting house food is very healthy, and for all the people it is good. But in India, if you see, more than half of the population, especially youngsters, and they are having street food and they are fit and fine. But they will, Farhan will tell why they are fit and fine, what is the logic behind that. And on the other hand, we are also becoming very, very addicted to street food, and due to that, we have so many diseases as well. But I'm not going to share my opinion, and Mr. Huzaifa and Farhan, they will be sharing their own opinion. So first of all, let's listen to Mr. Huzaifa, what kind of the points Mr. Huzaifa and he is having. So let us listen, Mr. Huzaifa. So tell your points.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Muhammad Abu Huzaifa, and today I'm going to speak doing buddy talk. And I support street, home food. House food is good for your health. If you eat street food, so you are not healthy. And on the market, you go so many thelas, so many things.
Yes.
And so many street food, and the bike run go, and the corruption and so many things do, and in the food, but food is not in the bartan. Yes, food is not clean. That's why. And if you eat house food with your hand, so quality is best, and very healthy. And in right now, so many children eating food, street food, but this is harmful for children and for our. And in the house food is very healthy for our life.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay, so it was Mr. Huzaifa speaking, and he shared 2-3 points here, like house food is best option, and to make your health fit and fine. And secondly, the fast food, street food is very dangerous for our health. So what kind of the point, just to your question? Listening very carefully the question.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say
Speak
thanks all
loudly a little bit.
I would like to say thanks all of you, and thanks Kadishan having this wonderful opportunity. And today we will do a buddy talk. So I support that street food is good, because if you want to take anything you can eat. Like in market, you want to take anything. No need to cook. Only pay the money you can eat. Everything like a finger and pakodi, chaat, everything you can eat. But if you want to make it your home, you can't make like this. Like pani batase, if you want to make it your home, so you have to bring everything, and it
will take very much time.
It will take and money also.
But his point is that this is not good for our health.
No, it is good, and everybody. If that is not good, so why they are selling and why everybody is eating? If that is not good for health, why everyone is eating?
Do you understand? Like he's saying why they are eating, why they are selling. So it doesn't mean something is.
If you have money, so you can cook in the house, obvious, and with your hand and with your parents. And in house food is very, very powerful, very
nutritious,
yes,
and very
for health. And house food, so many things you make so many things in the house. And if you go market, you purchase 20 rupees finger chips. It is I think nothing. But if you make in the house so many.
Yes, same thing. Like in 20 rupees potato, you can
Yes.
make 1 kg.
Yes.
1 kg finger.
No, like 20 rupees is 1 kg potato, and you have to bring the oil, and bring oil and powder, and you have to cut, you have to doing so much thing, and it will be take more time if you want to go anywhere.
Right, absolutely. But we want to clap for Mr. Farhan. And listen. And he is saying that it will take time is very important than your money.
Listen, if you take in the market 20 rupees, so you eat only one time. But if you make in the house, you take, you survive so many times.
But here is the yes.
Yes, if you take, if you are hungry, so you go to market.
Here he,
You will go to market for taking.
yes, he is also raised one point, the clarity. The hotel food, it is not clear. They are cooking, in same bowl,
Yes.
in same utensil,
In same oil.
for 2 years, 3 years, they
Yeah.
did not wash even. So can you eat in same plate anybody has eaten before you?
No, in the morning time they wash it, and the closing the.
No, this is not like
I
that.
watch
No.
every.
He's saying this thing.
Every hotel.
You go in the Khevli, Rajaram hotels. I saw one rat coming and fall down in the bowl,
Oh
and
my God.
he
Oh
cooked
my
the
God.
word. That's why. And the oil is dirty. But
What do you understand?
but he like this and bahar.
And out of the oil. Did you listen?
That's why.
No, I live nearby.
Arey man, what happens? They purchase 2 kg kadhi, and after 2 years it becomes 5 kg.
Yes,
It becomes
yes.
5 kg.
Yes.
Because they are not washing it.
No, they are. I watch every day whenever they opening the shop, and every time they wash it, and they have water, and daily I watch. They will wash it.
He was in the village so many pipeline, that is why. But in the village no pipeline, he purchased water, that is why he doesn't wash the bowl.
Nearby null you can watch. But Zomato,
Yeah,
and
Zomato,
and there are so many apps you can bring the food only 5 minutes. If you
But-
Yes, absolutely.
Very
Like
closely.
if you have compulsion, you are studying out of the city and you are going by train. You arrived your destiny, like you arrived at Delhi, and now you are very tired. So right now you are not going to cook food. Absolutely, you will go to hotel and you will eat there.
But
So what's wrong with that?
So many costly in the you can see if you have no money in the family member in outdoor country, so he has compulsion, that is why he are the country, and he has no money for living here, that is why he go there, and he cannot arrive around, he could not purchase. Yes. Street food.
Listen, like
That is why
you are going to Lucknow for walking for any park. So you have to don't need to there you will cook food. You have to buy their things like everything biryani.
You can bring in the house,
Man, but you cannot carry your cylinder everywhere.
but you can vary tiffin box.
Tiffin box. If you are going for trip, you are going Manali for 3 days. So how many days your tiffin will run?
But listen,
It will only one day, one time. What about tomorrow and day after tomorrow? So in this situation, you need to have street food.
but in the Manali, you can
In Manali.
in Manali you can cook the food. You can cook the food because of so many things. You can take so many things, and in right now so many gas, LPG gas, very small.
Okay, the last question, Mr. Farhan. If you have, just we are going to wrap up. Okay, last question if you have.
And he said in Malani you can go, so you can cook food, and you have gone there for walking, not cooking food there.
But-
You are going there for enjoying and not for cooking food.
But after one time you can cook anytime, because day is very.
Are you can also enjoy cooking over there. You can also enjoy cooking over there.
Yes.
But-
Why not? Cooking is also enjoyment activity.
No, enjoyment.
Okay. Now it was very fantastic. So whatever Mr. Farhan and Josefa has spoken. So thank you so much. And this was debate on the topic of street food and versus house food. So what kind of the points? What type of points just you are having? So let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much again.